How to check running apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone's home screen. From the bottom edge of the screen, swipe up and pause in the middle of the screen to open the app switcher. This reveals a gallery of all your open apps, ordered by the most recent. Swipe left or right to see all the applications that are currently open in the background. If you want to continue using an app, simply tap on the preview card and you will easily be able to use the app. You will be able to use any app just by tapping the preview card. If you want to close any of the app, simply swipe up on its preview card. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily check running apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.